communication and youth engagement in the digital era is a very important and timely theme. Our cultural heritage is the embodiment of our nation's history, values, traditions, and collective identity. It encompasses the stories passed down through generations, the songs that echo in our hearts, the customs that connect us to our roots, the ways in which we are raised and taught to behave in our respective communities and in the wider society, and the wisdom that guides us through life's journey. It is a source of pride, a reflection of who we are, and the legacy we have proudly inherited from our ancestors. Our culture is our source of inspiration as a people. In our contemporary society, which is undergoing rapid change in every aspect, from how children are educated to the world of work, our ways of living, our cultural heritage faces numerous challenges. The onslaught of globalization and the widespread influence of modern technology ushered in by digitalization have sometimes overshadowed our cultural heritage. The digital era has reshaped the way we live, the way we communicate, the way we interact with the world, thus intertwining our lives with technology, from the mobile phones to the platforms we use to connect with one another, have undoubtedly brought us closer together. They have also led to the erosion of some aspects of our culture. While this digitalization has brought us incredible achievements and advancements and opportunities, it also poses a significant challenge to the preservation and promotion of our cultural heritage. The discussion on how we can bridge the gap between culture and the digital era through media, communication, and youth empowerment and engagement is urgent in our country's quest for social transformation. We are aware that media plays a pivotal role in shaping our perceptions and understanding of the world, informs our decisions, and influences our values. It has the power to either erode or celebrate our cultural diversity and heritage, but at the same time, it is also media that can be a powerful tool for cultural preservation. To bring culture back into the spotlight, we must recognize and harness the potential of media as a guardian and promoter of our cultural tradition. This
in strengthening culture, but also in strengthening the role of the academy, in mentoring our young people, the future generation of many times, of our times and the future. I wish to salute this event, that it has also built a strong confidence over the years that the convention has been held. The confidence has been built, but it has also helped to nurture the continuous engagement and appreciation of the role of media in transforming society. Very, very important media convention. I do want to congratulate the Department of Journalism, joining you, the principal, and everybody who has spoken before you, in appreciating this organization of the Media Convention 2023 and remaining consistent in holding this informative and educative activity every year, save a couple of years when we had COVID-19. Journalism has remained consistent and intentional. We also want to applaud you for bringing in our distinguished alumni and the keynote speaker, Professor Elizabeth Mbiri Rubinga, all the way from Johannesburg, the UJ, I knew the University of Johannesburg as Rand African University many years ago. And I also want to assure you that the University of Johannesburg and Makerere University have an ongoing collaborative engagement. We have a formal MOU, and so getting you as the head of strategic communication at the University of Johannesburg and getting you as our alumnus and proud ambassador of Makerere, it's such a great pleasure.